Hello, and welcome to Cindy's Corner. Today, we're going to draw a butterfly. So, go ahead and get out your paper. You can have, if you've got the manila paper or the white paper, either one, and you're going to get to make it your own. So, we're going to start out with our pencil and our paper. And I want you to turn your paper horizontal. Turn your paper horizontal, and you're going to do it flat on your desk, and you can stop me as you need to stop so that you can do what you need to do, okay? All right, now then, if you want to make sure you can see it, we're going to start with our pencil because that way we can erase it. And remember, I've got my white erase board, so that's why I've got this one. All right, then we're going to start with an exclamation. You know how we do an exclamation point when it's exciting? So we're going to start with that. We're going to kind of do it a little and make it pointy at the bottom. We're going to kind of make it at an angle. Okay, that way it looks like the butterfly's flying. All right, we're going to start up here. And this one, we're going to go pretty big. We're going to go in and out just a little, and then we're going to go back up. Okay? We're going to do, and I like to say we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay? So you make them where they are, if you fold it, they would be the same. Okay? So we're going to make our hump come in and out and back up even. It's not quite even, is it? All right, but it's a start. And then we're going to come right here and we're going to kind of just a little zigzaggy and make that come up here. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, now we're going to make little dots going down, just about 3 or 4 on each side. And then we're going to make like frowny faces coming back to the back. Okay, now we're going to come up here and we're going to make its antennas. And put a little ball there, and then his antennas. All right, now this part we're going to make just like a vein, like we do in leaves. Make it come around. I'm going to do the same. Don't have to be just like mine. On the bottom, we're going to make a little hump right here, and then we're going to make little lines. Now, boys and girls, when you are finished drawing, you can stop this at any time and catch up. And then you get your Sharpie, and it's very important that you trace very slowly and stay on your lines. But the first thing you do when you get your Sharpie is what? Got it. Give it an autograph. I'm going to put apostrophe 24 because that's for the year 2024. Okay? Make sure you give it an autograph, and then that's your signature, your autograph. And then you've got, and trace very gently. Now then, if you're going to make this after you get it traced, if you're going to make it a monarch butterfly, then you're going to want some more black. And you probably want to use crayons or colored pencils. You want to use some black and orange. Black and orange. If you want to make a spring butterfly, you can paint it and color it however you want to color it. And if you are using, don't color with your marker though. okay? Use either a crayon or a colored pencil and color it in. And then if you want to make you a sky, you can make you a sky and make you some clouds in it. Do your background, okay? And if you want to color it all blue, that's fine. If you want to put some bush down here and act like the butterfly is in the tree, you can do a tree, flowers, however you want. If you want to put grass down here, you can put grass down there. I can't wait to see your picture. Share with me your finished product and your colorful butterfly. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And most important, share me with your friends and colleagues. Then give somebody a hug and tell them you love them. Have a great day from Cindy's Corner. I can't wait to see your flying butterfly. Give somebody a hug and tell them you love them.